Seems I've lost my lunchbox key and I'm hungry. Oh, there it is. Would you mind fetching it for me? Climbing the ladder. No one's thought of that before. Keep diving head in. I'm sure it'll work eventually.
There, enjoy your lunch. I want my friends back now.
Not yet. I need help with another matter. It seems I've lost my pet Flopsie.
Okay, found him.
Bring him to me. Daddy wants a kiss from Flopsie.
Come here, Flopsie. Flopsie, wait! Flopsie! Flopsie! Wait a minute. Flopsie? Ah! Ah! Flopsie!
Oh, that's a good boy. Yes, who has a soft belly?
Guys, are you okay?
Other than the crystal slowly encasing my entire body? Doing great.
Oh, yes.
Come on, I'm ready for the next challenge.